So guys, any WordPress website, everyone know the creating for contact form, but I'm creating for different contact form in your contact us page. The contact form main form in the Google form will be we can create. That mean if anybody fill up the details on the contact form, they receive where in the Google form sheet. So how we can create, how to add, so how we can show to the particular results. Now here, selecting for blank or you can go for contact information form also. Select it. These all default will be there. You can select info in this option. So here, what are the things? Name, email, here address are there. Address place I'm adding for number. Number will be given by the particular. We can use it for short answer. Here phone number is there. We can use this option will be extra. So simple we can change it for here. So when you're moving to the particular option will be there, you can give to the moving to the option will be here. Properties. We can give the checkbox 2 BHK. So this is a complete for property website. So making form is a contact form. So we can give by the independent house. We can give the long answer for your own comment box here. Everything is there. This one. So your form, everything will be contact form. I'm adding a logo here. And guys, here one more option is there. When enter email time, that your email will be specific compulsory will be there. Phone number time, the compulsory specify with the phone number, and what are the required field is there. Compulsory you can use the required field will compulsory add by required field option. So which is a required field? Compulsory add required field, and comment will be required and unrequired as your option. And anything can add your questions, import question, and add title description, images, add video, and add section option. Anything will be required, add option will be here. Nothing required, just you can close for delete the section. So this option. And after creating this one, the response will be copied for in this option will be here. No worry about that. We copy the response here. Complete download response will be in this particular option. Here in this contact form created, click for in this send via here option will be the link, or this will be embed code. This code we can copy for where particular WordPress website. So here copy this one, go to the WordPress login. In this WordPress login option call here, the particular option will be there where our pages are there. Go to the particular pages. Which page? Contact us page. Go to contact us page. Where is our page is there? Contact us. Edit option will be there. Here. Edit. Where is our code will be here? Here. Edit. Select HTML part. Control V. Done. Update. After update, immediately you can check here. That is the form. Here the particular form will be ready here, particular option. Suppose if you want decrease the space or anything, just open the here height will be there. You can add your height will be 800. Copy, edit, Here height will be there 700. Done. Update. Refresh. How much height will be there? You can use the particular height will be here. So 700 also will be more highlight highest. So you can go with not required here. Just edit option. Width will be 640. I'm adding for 350. Height will I'm adding for 450. Done. Update. So these all will be adding the methodologies to your contact form using Google here. So here, very clear in this. It will be very sufficient here. Required field. So here, rock. Alphabet. We can using for numeric here. Number is called properties. 2 BHK flat at best price. Submit. Thank you for submit contact info. After that, cancel here. Responsive. One responsive copy here. The particular response will be saved for in the particular sheet. These are only for one response. They will be showing you will be here. So what is the procedure? Select it and download CSV format. This is we can download easy method on the particular format. If you go back, no worried about. N number of contact will be received. Just to open it. When the form will be there, you can add the contact details. Open it. Check the responsive option. Suppose if you have one question mark is there, just open it in the website. Go to contact form. So you already added the response here. It is the response here. Why? Because this is already adding the particular option. So just I'm open for here. Close and open. The form will be deleted. No worry about that. Just I'm using for same one now. So the option will be here. Sign in required for your particular Google. So Gmail not required. In the required option will be compulsory mandatory for fill up this form. Why? Because the form will be here. Suppose not done. So this call required not required depend on your option will be there. So villa here. So submit. So why the form is not submitted? You're not logging any Google logins. Why? It is the complete Google form sheet. So compulsory login required. The particular option will be taken for the particular Google form sheet. So that is called when you're using for Google form sheet, compulsory login is required. The particular option will be given in the Google form sheet option. To increase your anything option will be compulsory login important. Why? Because the email capturing purpose. The email capturing purpose in a particular things. Suppose anything not required. So we can't escape the any options will be here. And what are the settings are required here? Questions, individuals, everything will be there. And coming to the particular anything response required, just setting option will be there. In this, collect email address, response recipes. If there is a response, request it always here. Limit one response here. So here, email edit option setting. See summary chart after text response. Limit only for one response. Or else here, responding will be required to sign in Google. Suppose save this option. Clear it. What should we can do for? It will be submit for without login option. So a lot of settings are there. The settings are more important in your particular Google form sheet. And one more thing, very important question here. You're asking definitely in the my YouTube comment box. So why we can using for Google form sheet? Suppose anybody is not given adding the form on your particular website, Google form sheet help to receive your contact details for the customer purpose. Is making a sheet for your particular to the audience without losing purpose. So they will be help to the particular things to the store the contact details purpose. Simple things. You are adding something contact details on your form. Form is not working. You're not understanding the code levels. So that is the compulsory using for your particular things. Is it clear? After creating a form, compulsory setting is important. Require sign in. Limit to one response. Not that we can checkbox this option. Without login also you can sending the response here. This all will be compulsory mandatory field to activate Google Forms and the WordPress. This form code we can adding for Blogger and WordPress and the PHP site, anything will be possible. Use this form and store your contact details, particular things. Now clearance purpose, we can see here. Compulsory Gmail is compulsory. Simple. You're not valid the Gmail address. That mean by you have to fulfill the compulsory things. Mandate field compulsory mandatory. Submit. They're asking for captcha code, which is a bot. Verify it. Email address is wrong. Thus I'm saying don't use the wrong Gmails. Thank you for in this. Response is 2. Within seconds, the response will be captured by the in the response option. See here. 2 response, 1 and 2. 2 things. The response will be here, 2 emails, the particular things. Is it clear? Everything required, we can log out the particular option. You can find out everything will be in the particular Google form. The story will be like this with the Excel sheet option. This is very flexible. The details will be contact on the Excel sheet and very useful by this sheet will be spreading for a future for email marketing purpose, and we can contact to the WhatsApp chat purpose in the customers. Everything will be used the particular customer for the future marketing purpose also. Use these things and Google Form sheet in the WordPress. Store the contact details, particular client. Use it on the WordPress, PHP, and a Blogger website and any HTML website. Use it. Store your client information. Simple thing. The form is not there. We can add the form directly into contact us page. Empty page also we can add directly. The code will be visible by any WordPress website. It is not required. I'm just alignment for my contact details. If it is not required also the contact details to alignment by the particular option. Total we can add the form also will be eligible particular contact us page on WordPress website.